If you're selling your products on Amazon and Shopify as well, and you're facing difficulties in delivering your products to Shopify customer, then today in this video, I have a solution for you. Because if you're having the inventory already present at Amazon FBA warehouse, then you can use the same inventory and you can let Amazon deliver your Shopify customer orders to them from the inventory which you're having at Amazon FBA warehouse. Well, that method is called Amazon MCF, which stands for multi-channel fulfillment. And you can basically use this method to fulfill your Shopify store from the Amazon FBA inventory, which can actually automate your Shopify order processing and can save you a lot of time and money. Because if you deliver your Shopify orders manually with the help of any carrier, so either they will deliver your order lately, or if you want them to deliver in 1 or 2 days, then they will charge you a lot. But at the same time, if you use MCF, then within very less price, you can get your order delivered within 1 or 2 days to your customers. So in that way, you can save time, you can save money, and you can put that time and money in growing your audience and to get more and more sales. So let's go to my laptop screen and I'll show you how you can use that step by step. So keep watching this video till the end without skipping any part. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you're not able to make money online yet, that means you're just watching YouTube videos, you're having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I am on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my Amazon Seller Central and Shopify store as well. So basically if I go on my Amazon Seller Central and on the left menu, if I click on orders and then click on create MCF orders, then I will be able to see this window which says create MCF order. So basically this is a form, and whenever I get any order on Shopify store, so I have to put the information of that order into this form, like what is the customer name, what's their address, which product they ordered, and how many units they ordered. So when I fetch that particular information from Shopify orders manually and put that here, like name, address, number of product, and then Shopify order ID as well. So that form will be completed. And after completing that form, if I click on create order, so Amazon FBA will pick my product from my inventory at Amazon FBA warehouse and deliver that particular product to my Shopify customer from the same address which I fill in this form. So in that way, you can fulfill Shopify order with the help of Amazon MCF manually one by one. But this method will work only if you're getting 5 or 10 orders daily, not more than that. But for example, if you're having more orders like 50, 60, 100 or even more every day, then it will not be easy for you to fulfill those orders one by one manually. It will take a lot of your time and effort, right? So in that case, if you're having more orders, then you can actually automate that whole process with the help of an app called WebBee. So for that, you have to go on your Shopify store, and on the left side, you can see this apps option. So if you click on that, so from here, you have to click on all recommended apps. So basically, this is a Shopify app store, and here you have to find out the app WebBee. So just click on Shopify app store, and here you have to type WebBee. So you can see that after typing, it is showing me an app called Amazon MCF by WebBee. So if you click on that, so here you can see that this is the app having 4.7 star rating and 288 people review. So if you click on open, then this app will be automatically installed on your Shopify store, and you can get 14 days free trial. And after that trial expired, you have to pay $19 per month for the basic plan and $35 for the professional plan, which can automate up to 1000 orders, right? So again, I'm saying that if you're having less order, you can just go to Amazon MCF and fill out the form manually one by one, and you can do that free of course. But if you're having more orders and you want to automate that process, then you can use this app WebBee to automate all the orders. So whenever you get any order on Shopify, it will automatically send that order to Amazon MCF without your involvement and deliver that order to your customer without your involvement. So I hope at this point you know how to use Amazon MCF to deliver your Shopify orders and how it can actually help you to save time, money, and you can manage your inventory hassle-free. So right after watching this video, go there and start using MCF if you're selling your products on both Amazon and Shopify. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.